my channel. I am Georgia Harrop. If you are new here, well, I am here for you every single Friday. Today, I'm going to show you how to do 2 quick Halloween makeup looks, which are super easy if you wear glasses. Normally, obviously like me, but I have taken them off because we're going to do makeup. If you are a beginner or if you're looking for tips and tricks on how to get the whole vintage-ish look, well, my friends, this is the channel for you. I would highly recommend hitting that subscription button and turning your notifications on wherever they may be. Must be the season of the witch. Honestly, I have had that song in my head for so long. I saw it on a wonderful lady on Instagram and I was hooked ever since. It's just been in my head. Must be the season of the witch. Spooky season is here, my friends. Everyone has this incredible makeup on their face and they're transforming into horrific, mystical creatures. And I'm over here like, everybody has amazing face paint on, and when you wear glasses, it just ends up all over your glasses, so there's 0 point. Disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist, and the way that I paint my face is simply to save my glasses from ruining my effort. So my first look today is a vintage-ish Spider Queen. My inspiration for this came mildly from vintage pin-up spider outfits that I saw on the web, although of course this is my own interpretation, so disclaimer applies. And just to let you know, I have prepped my face with my skincare routine prior to filming. I love fierce impact makeup, but because the glasses that I wear are also quite out there, it just tends to get lost. I have gone for a goldish eyeshadow for the base, something that will just give me a little bit of shimmer but won't get absolutely eaten alive by the glasses that I'm going to put on. Next, I'm going to add some dramatic eyeliner, or attempt to at least. So I'm just going to add some lashes off camera because I can't multitask, but these are the ones that I'm using, the eyeliner. Back with my lashes, guys. Also, I just went underneath with some mascara. I went a little bit heavier than I normally would just to accentuate my longer lashes. Now I'm just going to add some red lipstick to my lips. And as I do, why don't you take a look at the extra things I'm going to add to this look. So I ordered these spider transfers from Amazon. I think they're a couple of quid. I will link it in the description below for you. These were also a little bargain from my local pound shop for a few quid, the sticker sheet there. My little girl is definitely going to steal these, so I thought that I would film this before she could. My brooch today is from Voodoo Vixen. I have been eagerly awaiting all year just to wear this. I guess it's worth pointing out that I actually rarely wear black unless it's kind of Halloween. So I dug this top out of my wardrobe especially for the occasion. And the earrings that I have on are from Oh So Flamingo. I love their range. I will pop their details in the description below so you can check them out. As you can see, I have added some transfers. Simply take your transfer like this. Make sure that you remove the top layer of film, pop it onto the back of a cotton pad that is full of water, and you will see that it will start to seep into the back, and then you can pop it on your face and have less water on your face, which ultimately will ruin your makeup. And while that soaks in, I'm going to take some of these stickers that I showed you earlier, and I'm just going to choose one and pop it on my face. And there we have it. My vintage-ish Spider Queen is complete. If you want to know how I created this beehive updo, leave me a comment below, I would love to know, and I'll film something for you. Bang, and the beehive is gone. My second look today is totally different. Kind of like a pin-up zombie Beetlejuice. Now, obviously, as you will gather from watching this video, my ideas of Halloween are very tame. Because I wear glasses, I really struggle dressing up for Halloween. So the makeup, the hair, the whole look that I go for really just has a touch of Halloween. Still a little bit spooky, but not much effort required, I guess. And as a busy mum, I just don't have the time to dress, you know, full hair, full makeup, full outfit, full everything. but I love to get in the Halloween mood. Whenever I'm thinking about my eyeshadow, I just have to remember that glasses are going to go over it. So it's kind of when you have a great outfit, but you've got to put your coat on. You've got to remember that it's not always going to be seen. I am feeling it. So the basis of this look is obviously a smokier kind of green shimmery eye. There's probably a better way to describe that than that. In my lips, I have gone for a kind of orangey red, and I've just put lashes on off camera. Now, my hair. There is a reason that I wear my hair so big and normally have a beehive or some kind of height to a hairstyle that I wear. You're gonna find out this reason. Have you seen that TikTok that says, "Oh my gosh, girl, you're so beautiful," and then they pull their hair back and they're like, "It's just my hair." Well, I feel like an absolute pinhead without any kind of hair, which is why I never wear my hair like this, because so I have just popped my hair back into a tight ponytail and I'm just plaiting my mane at the back. As you can see, I have a very round head, which is why I never wear my hair like this, and probably why you will never see it like this again. But this is for YouTube, guys. It's even worse when I put my wig cap on. Wait. I think this is the wrong way. Okay, this is the right way. Of course, my hair is not my own. I got it from Amazon because that's where I live right now. For fancy dress, I am a little bit of a cheapskate, I must admit. I think for me, I just don't go the whole hog every Halloween. I don't want to paint my face, I don't want to ruin my skin, so I just don't get into costume very often. I tend to buy cheap wigs like this one. I think this one was like a $5 from Amazon, but I quite like it. I mean, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I will just wear this for Halloween, and then my little girl will probably claim it as hers for her fancy dress box. So spending a $5 on it is perfect for me. My inspiration for this look came from Pinterest, where everything that is wonderful lives. I'm a pinaholic, I love Pinterest. And when I was searching for a Halloween look, I kept seeing these like zombies, pin-up, Beetlejuice, black and white, like green, and I got so distracted. And I think the thing is for me that my glasses are a huge part of most of my outfits that I wear. I need a Halloween outfit that really works with my glasses, and I definitely think that this one does. Obviously, if I was going to do a proper zombie, I would need scars or some sort of blood. This is just the way that I like to dress. I mean, I quite like green hair on me. I don't know what it is. I'm like, If you have found this video interesting and you want to chat some more about proper Halloween outfits as opposed to this one, or you just want to share your vintage-ish looks, you can come over to my Facebook group. If you want to join, I'll pop the link in the description box below. All you have to do is click. And you can also download my vintage glasses guide if you haven't already. I'll pop the link for that below as well. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Tune in next Friday, guys, for another Halloween special, where this time I'll be showing you how you can take normal outfits and just make them a little bit more Halloween-ish. Bye!